Have you ever thought about what is the logic or reasoning behind your T-junction plots or your road hit plots? The reason being, when you go into a real estate perspective also, not many home buyers want to get houses that are built or plots that are available that have direct road hit or three roads that are intersecting at one point on the site. But is this true for all kind of design typologies? Because as per Vastu, both residential spaces and commercial spaces have a different approach, and even the logic behind and the reasoning behind having T-junction plots for either of these can be different. So let us try to break that down in today's session. Firstly, let us try to understand what exactly a road hit or a T-junction plot is in general. When you have a plot or you have a house that you want to invest in or a retail or a commercial building that is there, if any road is directly hitting it on any of the zones, then it is considered as a road hit plot. In case if there are two or more or two or three roads generally which hit any particular building or a site or anything as such, then this is called as a T junction plot. So in this aspects, like I said, both residential and commercial have a different approach. In residential plots, this can be considered, especially this can be considered inauspicious. The reason being, when you understand residential plots or homes, a house is generally meant to be a place where you want safety, security, and less visibility. But having a direct road hit plot or multiple roads hitting at a particular point on your home or your site can give more visibility, and either the entire logic behind it goes into a negative aspect. So hence any of the zones where the roads hit or the particular road hits on the site or the house can actually be the one that is causing or having negative effects, and remedies have to be done for it. So if ever you want to invest in such a property, if for a residential plot, go with a big no because this will not help you get or benefit in a positive way. But this is not the same thing for a commercial plot. When you understand either a road hit plot or a T-junction plot in a commercial space, it is actually proven to be auspicious. The reason being, the ideology behind having a commercial plot or a commercial building having these attributes associated to it is that a commercial space wants more visibility because it wants more people to enter its space, interact in its space, and finally, probably buy whatever is required and leave. They want people to walk into the space, get more visibility to the space. At this point, either having a direct road hit plot or a T-junction plot can give extra visibility to your space and actually help in increasing the positive attributes of this to reap positive results. This can prove very, very beneficial, and there are multiple case studies proving both of these and their approaches to both. So the next time you want to invest in any of the properties, be it residential or commercial, understand this logistic, because even when you want to resell it later or you want to give it out for rent, the entire logistics behind this plays a very important role. So make sure you make the right investment and also make sure you make the right Vastu investment. So saying that, thank you very much.